Subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily restore social app such as backup restore your WhatsApp, Line, Viber, WeChat and others. So for doing this you can also use this app. Here you can see Dr. Phone. So just download it and install on your laptop, and after you can also just choose this option, and here you will see download. So just click on download and it will successfully download this package and install it on your laptop. So just wait until it will successfully install it, and you can use this option for yourself without any errors. So just click on restore social app, and just wait until it will open this function. So here you can see that you can also transfer WhatsApp messages, backup WhatsApp messages, restore WhatsApp messages, and here you can also see that you can also do it with Viber. You can restore data from your phone and backup it, and with WeChat, Kik and Line. So with these 5 different apps. So just choose what app you want to restore or fix, and just try to fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.